If you're a freelancer, you're probably looking for ways to save time and maximize productivity. Today, I'm going to show you how to save time on freelance work using AI tools. These tools can take your workload from overwhelming to manageable in just a few steps, whether you're working on content creation, project management, or client communications. Stick around till the end for a game-changing tip that'll make your workflow 10x faster. We've all been there, spending hours on tedious tasks that drain your energy. But what if I told you that AI could help streamline your workflow? Let's dive into the key tools that can save you time and increase your efficiency. First, let's talk about writing. Writing content for clients or your own projects can take a lot of time, especially if you need to churn out blog posts, reports, or social media captions regularly. That's where AI writing tools come in. With AI-driven writing software, you can generate drafts, enhance your writing, or even automate responses. This software doesn't just write for you. It helps you brainstorm ideas, improve your tone, and edit for grammar. Imagine turning a 2-hour task into just 30 minutes of fine-tuning. Next, let's look at project management. Freelancers often juggle multiple projects at once, and managing deadlines can feel overwhelming. AI-powered project management tools can automatically organize tasks, track progress, and send reminders. They can even predict potential bottlenecks in your workflow, helping you stay ahead of deadlines. These tools integrate with your calendar, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Setting up these tools might take some initial effort, but once you do, they'll save you hours every week. Now let's talk about client communication. Freelancers often struggle with managing emails, messages, and project updates. AI can automate responses to common client questions and organize communication, so you're not wasting time sorting through hundreds of emails. Plus, using AI chatbots or email assistants, you can ensure your clients get a quick reply, even if you're busy. Some software even prioritizes messages, so you can respond to the most urgent requests first. For those who do design or creative work, AI tools can also help with visual content. Whether you're making logos, social media posts, or marketing materials, AI software can speed up the design process by automating repetitive tasks like resizing images, selecting color palettes, or generating templates. This allows you to focus on the creative aspects while the software handles the boring stuff. Of course, I've tried out several of these tools, and after testing all the most popular software options, I found one that truly stands out. This software we're using today is a game changer. It's intuitive, fast, and integrates with almost all major platforms, so you don't have to worry about learning a complicated new system. If you want to follow along and test it for yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial available for you in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Now, before I wrap up, here's the key takeaway. AI tools can dramatically cut down the time spent on repetitive tasks, giving you more freedom to focus on what you do best. Remember, using AI for writing, project management, client communication, and creative work can streamline your workflow and make you a more efficient freelancer. To quickly recap, use AI for drafting and editing content, managing projects, automating client communication, and speeding up design work. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of our software in the description. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching.